In the heart of Arizona's Sonoran Desert lies something that looks like it belongs on another planet. And in a way, it does. This is Biosphere 2, a self-contained world built to mimic Earth itself. Part science experiment, part survival experiment, and part bold rehearsal for life on another planet. As we entered the grounds, we were greeted with this sign. And right on cue, this interesting wild animal appeared, a javelina. Javelinas are not inherently aggressive, but they can become defensive and exhibit aggressive behavior, especially when threatened, cornered, or startled. They may charge, clack their teeth, or make barking or growling sounds. While bites are rare, incidents of bites are often associated with people trying to feed them. So keep your distance. The idea for Biosphere 2 began in the 1980s, an era obsessed with space colonization and environmental concerns. A group called Space Biospheres Ventures, backed by billionaire Ed Bass, set out to build a miniature version of Earth. They built this, 3.14 acres, 91 feet tall at its peak, and over 7 million cubic feet of sealed space. A rainforest, a coral reef, farmland, even a beach, all under glass, and it was completely sealed off from the outside world. In 1991, 8 scientists, 4 men and 4 women, stepped into Biosphere 2. They would stay locked inside for 2 years. No resupplies, no exits. Everything they needed had to be produced or recycled within the dome. They grew sweet potatoes, bananas, and peanuts. They recycled their air and water. Every breath they took was measured. Every calorie accounted for. But then, things got complicated. Oxygen levels fell from 21% to 14%. The crew was lightheaded and fatigued. Food was scarce. Insects like ants and cockroaches overran the dome, while pollinators died off. The media called it a disaster, but inside the crew pushed forward, gathering valuable data about ecosystem collapse, food security, and even psychological resilience. As with any sealed environment, isolation took its toll. Disagreements emerged. The group split into factions. Some accused project leaders of manipulating data or breaking the seal to bring in supplies. While it wasn't just about science, it was about ego, philosophy, and pressure. Imagine being stuck with the same 7 people for 730 days and dwindling oxygen. And yet, they made it. Today, Biosphere 2 is run by the University of Arizona. It's no longer sealed, but it has become a world-class research lab studying how ecosystems respond to climate change and extreme conditions. This is one of the only places on Earth where you can simulate the effects of drought on a rainforest, or test what happens to coral reefs under increased CO2, without harming the real thing. Biosphere 2 is still one of our best working models for building sustainable habitats on the Moon, Mars, or even long-duration space missions. From soil chemistry to carbon exchange, from human behavior to artificial environments, the lessons learned from Biosphere 2 still echo in today's most advanced space programs. You can visit Biosphere 2 yourself, wander through the misty rainforest, peek into the sealed desert, or walk through the underground technosphere, which is a maze of pipes and life support systems that keeps everything running. It's part museum, part science lab, and part time capsule from a future that's still coming. Biosphere 2 was a dream. Flawed, fascinating, and ahead of its time. It asked a question we're still wrestling with today. Can we create a world within a world? Or maybe the real question is, can we take better care of the only biosphere that truly matters? Biosphere 1, Earth. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this journey. And tell us in the comments, could you survive 2 years in a sealed dome? Subscribe for more epic science and travel adventures. And if you would like to support our channel, you can do so by using the link in the description below. We'll see you in our next adventure.